Alarms. Alarms are high-priority alerts. Their condition requires immediate attention and action by the bridge team to maintain the safe navigation of the ship. For example, to avoid navigating into shallow waters and risk grounding. Alarms have the following operational status. An unacknowledged alarm is displayed with a red flashing triangle and a speaker symbol. It triggers an acoustic signal consisting of 3 short audible signals every 7 to 10 seconds. A silenced but unacknowledged alarm is displayed with the red flashing triangle and a speaker symbol crossed out. An acknowledged alarm is displayed with a red triangle and an exclamation mark until rectified. A rectified alarm, but not yet acknowledged, is displayed with a red flashing triangle and a tick mark. Warnings. Warnings have the second highest priority. Their condition requires immediate attention, but no immediate action by the bridge team. Warnings are presented for precautionary reasons to make the bridge team aware of a change to conditions which are not immediately hazardous. Warnings have the following operational status. An unacknowledged warning is displayed with a yellowish-orange flashing circle and a speaker symbol. It triggers an acoustic signal consisting of 2 short audible signals every 5 minutes. A silenced but unacknowledged warning is displayed with the yellowish-orange flashing circle and a speaker symbol crossed out. An acknowledged warning is displayed with the yellowish-orange circle and an exclamation mark until rectified. A rectified warning, but not yet acknowledged, is displayed with the yellowish-orange flashing circle and a tick mark. Note: warnings can escalate to alarm priority after a limited time period, not exceeding 5 minutes, or after a user selectable time. Cautions. Cautions have the lowest priority of an alert. They give awareness of a condition which does not warrant an alarm or warning condition, but still requires attention and consideration. Cautions are displayed with a yellow square and an exclamation mark, and do not generate any acoustic signal. Alert notification area. When an alert occurs, the alert status, the contents of the alert, and the occurrence count are displayed in the alert notification area. In addition, a quick overview bar pops down from the relevant alert category button. The numbers on these buttons indicate the number of times the relevant category of alert has occurred. If no active alert is present, the relative box will be grayed. When a new alert occurs, its alert message will be displayed in the alert message area until the cause that triggered the alert is rectified. To have access to the quick overview bar, click on the numbered alert category button. To access the alert detail dialog, press the disclosure button. In order to gain useful information, such as action to be taken depending on the cause of the alert, address the detail information area. In addition, to scroll through the active alerts from each category, press on the arrow buttons of the alert detail dialog box. To acknowledge an active alert, click on the Acknowledge button in the quick overview bar. Alert list. To display the alert list dialog box of the Common Information Reference window, activate the Alert List button. The Active Alert tab provides a comprehensive overview of the currently existing alerts and some additional information, such as Active Alert section, which displays the number of current alerts and the number of unacknowledged alerts. Active Page section, where the user can switch pages if the number of existing alerts exceeds 20, which requires multiple pages. Active alert list, where the alert of the highest priority is automatically selected. If a new alert is generated while viewing the list, the alert is added at the top of the list. Details of active alert section, where details of the currently selected alert are displayed. Note: to view details of alerts with higher or lower priority than the currently displayed ones, use the higher and lower buttons. Alerts history. To view a list of past alerts that have already been resolved, access the alert history section. Up to 20 alerts are displayed per page. The alerts can be sorted in different ways by clicking on the title lines. Note: for details on the alert contents, refer to Reference Guide, Appendix A, Alert List, in the instruction manual. Indications. To display important indications and information about the condition of the system, use the Permanent Information Display area. Once an important information becomes available, this will be permanently displayed until rectified. This is also indicated by a new blue badge on the Information Notice List button. Click to access the Information Notice window in order to get more information about the active indications. Message notification. In addition to the information notification, the system produces message notifications for AIS and NavText messages. These notifications are indicated in blue on the Show Messages button. To open up the information reference window with the relevant dialog type of the message received, click on the Show Messages button. Acknowledgement of alerts. When an alert is triggered, the buzzer sounds according to the alert type, and the alert message is displayed in the alert notification area. To correctly handle the new alert, stop the buzzer by clicking the silence button in the alert notification area, or by pressing the silence key in the trackball operation unit. Check the alert message or the alert detail dialog within the relevant alert category. After the content has been checked and appropriate action is taken, click on the Acknowledge button of the Alert Detail dialog, or press the Alert Acknowledge button of the trackball operation unit. Note: when there are multiple alerts, perform the same operation for each by displaying the Details dialog box using the corresponding alarm, warning, or caution buttons. Sensor alerts. Any loss of connection or malfunction of any connected sensor will trigger an alert. For example, a warning will be triggered by the system if the input from an EPFS source is lost. For less crucial sensor data, for example time information, or backup data for course over ground and speed over ground, a caution will be triggered. Route alerts. During route monitoring, the ECDIS can generate various alerts to inform about necessary actions. The cross-track alarm is triggered when the owned ship leaves the defined XTD corridor. The course difference warning is triggered when the ship deviates from the owned course for more than the set limit. The arrived at wheel over line and arrived at waypoint warnings are triggered when the ship reaches the wheel over line or the waypoint respectively. For the last waypoint of a route, The end of track alarm will be triggered instead. Look ahead alerts, chart alerts. The following navigational alerts can be triggered by the system. The crossing safety contour alarm will be triggered when the look ahead sector is detecting the crossing of a safety contour. The navigational hazard caution will be triggered when point objects are detected within the look ahead sector. The special condition area warning or caution will be triggered as soon as the vessel's look ahead sector overlaps one or more prohibited or special condition areas. Note: before execution of the voyage, at least one of the options for the look ahead function has to be activated, otherwise no alert can be triggered by the system.